Google Nano Banana is amazing and I love it. Just look all the things that you can do with it. Pretty impressive, right? And best thing of all is it is 100% free. You don't have to pay anything. And guys, literally only limitation is your imagination. Just be creative, okay? And also you can make a good money with Google Nano Banana and Pinterest affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you how. So let's say, for example, that I have Amazon affiliate store where I sell summer dresses, okay? So first thing I need to do, I need to come here on Amazon and I need to search for summer dresses, okay? And here you can see there is lots and lots of summer dresses that you can actually promote and make money. As you can see, some of these dresses, 3.3 thousand reviews, 553 reviews, 973 reviews, and so on and so on. So you need to choose one. For example, let's say I wish to choose one of these. Let's say, for example, okay, I have chosen this dress here. And here you can see that they already added some good images, but this is not exactly what I want. These images are good, but they are not what I actually need. So what I need to do, I need to click on this image here and I need to download this image here, save image as, and save it to my desktop. Next thing I need to do, I need to go here on pixels and here I need to search something like, for example, girl in the meadow, okay? And here you can see there is lots and lots of royalty free, that is important, royalty free images of girls in the meadow. So for example, let's just say I wish to use one of these images. Let's say, for example, this one here. This is actually a good image. Here you can see a happy girl in the meadow. So what I can do, I can simply click here and I will choose, for example, this format here, 1920 with 202880, okay? I will choose this one here, download selected size. And I downloaded this to my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I need to go here on Google Gemini and then I need to click here on tools and then click here create images. And then I need to click here on this plus to add files, upload files, and I need to upload these two images, image of this dress and the image of this girl. So let me just find that image. This is the image, click here on open, give it a few seconds, okay? And it uploaded these images and now I need to give it a prompt. I can say something like this: make a girl wear this sundress and make it blend so it looks natural, okay? And then simply press enter. And now Google Nano Banana will actually merge these two images into a one image. And I actually told it to blend. This is important. Tell it to blend so it looks natural, so it looks like this girl really wear this sundress, okay? And Google Gemini finished, so here you can see how this looks. Actually, it looks really, really good, as you can see here. So what I need to do, I simply need to download this image, okay? Right click here, save image as, and I will save it to my desktop. As you can see, this is a longer image, that is important. As you can see, this is 9:16 ratio image, and that is important because I can take more real estate, okay? And what I need to do next, I simply need to go here on Pinterest. I need to click here on this plus, click here on create a pin, okay? And now I will click here and I will find the image that I created in Nano Banana. Okay, this is the image. And here you can see how this looks. Now this is a good image and many people will stop and click on that image. So now I simply need to optimize my pin. That is important. I showed you how to do that in many of my videos. You need to add a title and the title should include your main keyword. You need to add a description. Description also should contain your main keyword and you need to add some hashtags. Now here you can see link. Now you can add direct Amazon affiliate link, but what I would do, I would actually write an article, something like this. Here you can see these guys here added some sundresses under $150 and they made a list. So what you can do is you can simply create a pin for each of these dresses and you can upload, for example, 10, 15, 20 pins here on Pinterest and target and send traffic to one article. In that way you will have more chances to get traffic, organic traffic from Pinterest to this article, to your article. And from this article, you can send traffic to your Amazon affiliate store and you can start making money. And not just that, even better option is if you actually use Google VO3 to create a video from this image that you created in Google Nano Banana. That will actually make an even more impressions, you will get even more engagement, and that means you will get even more free traffic from Pinterest to your article and from your article to your Amazon affiliate store, and that means you will earn more money. Now this tactic works 100%. I'm using this tactic and I can confirm it works, but it does take some time and it does take some work. So if you're not willing to invest time and work, then this method is probably not for you. Okay, so this is how you make money with Google Nano Banana and Pinterest affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.